Hi everyone, I'm Gemma from Preston Baker in York. I'm here today to tell you about a new fantastic property that we've got coming to the market. It's number 2 Laburnum Grove. It's a 3-bedroom semi-detached house in the popular area of Stillingfleet. So as we approach the property, you can see all around me there's great off-street parking, probably for at least 3 to 4 cars. And then to the right-hand side, there's just a fantastic sized garden. It's 5 miles south of York city centre. It lends itself to many buyers and especially families. It actually falls into the catchment area for the very popular and demanding Fulford School. So we enter the property through the side access. To the right-hand side, we have a downstairs WC, and that leads straight through into the kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen overlooks onto the beautiful rear garden. There's also 2 pantries inside, and to the left-hand side, we have a dining room. So we then enter into the living room. It's a dual aspect lounge. There's a bay window to the front and a rear patio door, which again takes you out into the lovely garden. The property also benefits from a log burning stove. It's recently been decorated, so beautifully presented inside. As we approach the first floor, there's 2 original storage cupboards. We also have loft access, which also houses the 4 kilowatt PV solar panel system. There are 3 really generous sized bedrooms to this property. We're currently standing in the master bedroom. We have extra storage and 2 beautiful windows looking out onto the open aspect. So the bathroom has recently had some updates made. It's a nice neutral colour, again really bright. We have an electric shower over the bath, and then you have your separate sink and WC unit. So this is a second larger bedroom, again with additional storage, and you can see it's a really generous sized second room, perfect for a family or if you want to use it as a guest room. There's also a really good size, larger than average 3rd bedroom to this property, and again it's ideal for families or for visitors. So one of the great selling points to this fantastic property, and I'm sure you can agree, is the stunning garden. It's flooded with sunlight, a great size, it's completely enclosed. Obviously to the back you can see that there's a lovely pond which has a water feature. There are also 2 additional sheds and a log storage as well. Thanks very much for watching. To arrange a viewing on this fantastic property, call the office today.